Bella, show us how you walk. Can you come to Mama? Come to Mama. Where are you going to walk? Are you going to come walk here? Bella's first steps. Let's see you take your first steps. Your birthday's next week.
My birthday is next.
That's Bella's birthday is next week. Oh, she's kicking you. Sophia, nice hairband. Hey, 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 chair gently. Bella. Aw, you're not being a nice big sister. See, you upset your little sister.
Yeah.
What was that? Are you throwing a tantrum, Bella? Bella, Isabella, show us how you walk. What are you doing? Are you swimming? She's being funny. You're being silly. Let's see how you walk. Let me see you walk. Gentle, Sophia. Here's our Christmas tree. Show us how you walk.
I'll see our Christmas tree. Yours.
Here comes another big sister. Come walk to Mama. Come walk to Mama. Come, show us how you walk. Come here. Come here.
What does it say?
You like that little chair? Bella, come to Mama. Show me how you walk.